Wow. The dam has really held. We've just received incredible torrential rain, and this is the moment that it stopped. The pond level is higher, and look at all the water coming, sheeting down from above. Their work right here is held. You can see that little eddy on the far side, and I'm zooming in on that's a little point of vulnerability because of the fragility of this canyon here. Wow. So it's looking good though. The parts of that soil bank have cleaved off over time, which is what we're concerned about in these types of high rain events. But wow. Everything looks good. Happy beavers.